post-cross was my name and age. After that was a barrage of objections, a total of 117 objections. So in a way, they really didn't want me to speak at all. The first part of their statements were to totally disregard my whole affidavit, totally disregard my testifying before the court. So I think it's very evident exactly why they don't want me to speak. So, and again, the only reason why I'm here is not because I'm against the church or against Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, but I am after those people who disobeyed the law, who did crimes to my family, and put at risk. So that's all. And this same truth are the things that they are preventing us from saying. Nakaka-frustrate dahil we've been here over and over again. Sabi nga kanina, nandun na ako eh. Bakit hindi nyo tanungin? So, I don't know what they were afraid of. That's why they did not want to continue with the cross-examination. So, nakaka-frustrate lang. At I was just thinking to myself na if they have any objections, why not tell me? Why not tell the court? Why not tell the justices? Why prolong these proceedings? Well, in fact, if you wanted the truth, you can have it easily because I was already there. I was the first-hand information that they wanted if they really wanted the truth.